We're here at Toyota of Nashua. My name is Zach Casey.
I'm Jeff Price, Service Director here.
And we're holding this fun event that we love to do every year. As you can see behind us, we've got a bunch of our young ladies that live in the community, and we're trying to show them how great it is to work at a car dealership.
We have our young ladies that are technicians here and service advisors working at the different stations. We're going over things like tire pressures, resetting tire pressures, and car maintenance, and having some fun, doing a couple of different drills with the police department that came down from Concord, and having a great day. Got perfect weather for it. Very excited for our 4th annual event.
And we've had the YWL girls, the young women in leadership campers that came up to Lakes Region Community College and learned some sweet skills last month. They were here with us today with the great team at McGovern, teaching the younger girls from the Manchester and the Nashua centers some of the skills that they learned. They helped us run 6 stations today. 4th time McGovern has run this event with Girls Inc. Love the partnership, love the teamwork. It's such an awesome event, and we were blessed with beautiful weather today. So thank you to McGovern. You're a great company.